Converting percents to decimals. Our first example is 6.75%. To convert this percent to a decimal, the first step is to remove the percent sign and then multiply 6.75 times 0.01. 6.75 times 0.01 equals 0.0675. And 0.0675 is a decimal, and that is our answer. Our next example is 525%. To convert this percent to a decimal, we're going to remove the percent sign and multiply 525 times 0.01. 525 times 0.01 equals 5.25. 525% as a decimal is 5.25. And that is our final answer. And that was our last example. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful math tutorials. Thank you guys.